Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Caitlin. So this is my client Ellie. This is her natural hair, and she has some older highlights that we toned down to a warmer brown, but she wanted long hair again. So I don't always wash and blow dry my clients before putting extensions in, but since she has such kinky curly hair naturally, this is just also going to help smooth out her hair so that I can get nice clean sections with the beads. So I call my first row a horseshoe shaped row because I like to start the beading higher up around the face and the sides and then dropping down lower in the back below any of her natural cowlicks so that they don't show. I feel like I see a lot of people who start their beadwork behind the ear with the extensions, and that's where they start placing their row. And then you see the clients have a lot of hair in the back, but literally none around the face, so it kind of has that mullety look. So this helps to prevent that from happening. And it helps the hair to look evenly distributed all over. And I double stitch every single stitch and go over the corners twice. Now I'm the worst because I totally forgot to hit record on the bottom row, but we just did a mini, so it was about 3 inches wide, and we just put it in the nape to help blend her bottom shelf of hair because she does have pretty thick hair naturally. Also, I did order her the body wave extensions because she does have naturally curly hair, so that way when she jumps in the lake or the ocean this summer, her hair won't be curly and then the extensions are straight. So one more time with the before and after. And oh my gosh, she looks so cute, and the extensions blend perfectly with her hair and her existing highlights. It just flows so good. And she got that body with her hair. I mean, that's what everyone wants. If you guys like videos like this and want more, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section down below. See you next time.